Morning everybody, this is our first tutorial on how to get started with your websites. First off, of course, we are luhsd.net. If you just go to there, it brings you to the district site. If you do /La Paloma, it brings you directly to ours. All of our websites are underneath the teachers tab right now. If you just go to teachers and you click on anybody's, like if we click on Erin's, we can see she has a basic website set up right now for everybody. I've got your basic information. I put up a random picture that you can change, as well as an assignment section. There's plenty of other sections you can add still too. There's also your welcome page, which is your main page, and there's also a calendar for each person that you can have your assignments show on as well. So let's get started first. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the top up here where it says sign in. Click on there. You guys should have already been there at some point. And then go ahead and put your username and password in there and hit sign in. When you sign in, it looks exactly the same at first. If you're in your page already or on your page already, you'll notice that there's an edit page spot here for you now. You could click through that, or there's also on the top here where it shows Site Manager. If you go to Site Manager, that brings you to the main page of everything that you have rights to play with, basically. Along the left side here, you won't see all these guys here. Instead, you should see your name up here showing your website. I believe yours will say maybe welcome and calendar, or maybe it'll just say your name. Of course, I've got all these because I get to play with all of the pages. So again, everybody's got a welcome. Everybody has a calendar. Let's look at the welcome page first. Oh, you can add new pages as well, but at this point we're trying to get our basics in. We also, over here, this is your accessibility score. I've been told that we're not super worried about ADA compliance at this point. Of course, we would like it to be good, and there are even tutorials on here of how to make it better. But again, we're not going to totally worry about that right now. So again, let's go to our welcome page first. On everybody's welcome page, I have your main part, which is like your welcome area. And underneath it, I also added an assignment area for you. So if you click on this part right here, you would be able to go in and change what I've already done or add to it. Make sure that whatever you do add or change that you hit save after and then close. And then you have an assignment channel right here as well. Same thing, when you want to add to it, you just click there. It pretty much goes through step by step, but I'll do a second video on how to do that in just a moment. So again, you've got all these goodies over here if you want to add to them too. Again, this is for people who, if you're confident about it, whatever, you're able to grab. If you need multiple assignment areas, you're able to grab here. It's a drag and drop to add another assignment category if you wanted. If you do something and decide you hate it, you don't want it, you've got that, of course, to delete. Okay, so you've got lots of playing that you can do with this, basically. So that's our first video, how to get on and total basics. And then I will do a second video showing how I'm setting mine up. That is all, peoples. Bye-bye.